How to download and install REDnote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to download and install REDnote app. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your device. Now search for REDnote. If you can't find REDnote, try searching for Xiaohongshu instead. Now tap the install button to download and install the app. After installation, open the app and sign in or create a new account. If REDnote is not available in your region, you may need to use a third-party app store like APK Pure to download the app if it's not on Google Play or the App Store in your country. For iOS users, you might need to change your region settings in the App Store to access the app if it's only available in specific countries. Once installed, sign in or create a new account to start using REDnote and explore content while engaging with the community. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.